Good afternoon, everybody. This is North Carolina Homesteader. And recently we purchased a home. We're doing the home repairs, and there was a leaking faucet. I pulled this out because I currently live far away from the home, so... Well, that's another story, but basically I'll be moving in soon. But basically, I went ahead and pulled the faucet out so I could mess with it. One of the things about faucets is they have a seal in them, or the older ones do anyway. Now, if you look at the seal, you can see that there's a little hole in it, or a little gouge, a tear. So I went ahead and replaced that, and got a new seal and put a new one in here, a new seat. And then I went down, and it was still leaking. No matter what I was doing or how hard I cranked down. So I wanted to make sure I got the right seal, and I did, but I noticed a little mark on here. So I went down, and I pulled the faucet out so I could get a better view of it and look at everything. And down inside here, there's a little seat in there, which I pulled out. But once you look at it, it's down there. The problem was, as you can see, the water in the faucet had been dripping for, well, at least 2 months before I got the house. I don't know about how long or not, but as you can see, there's a gouge there in this where it's eroded. And no matter what, it'll never seal. So this is a faucet seat. Now, you can just take an Allen wrench and pull these out on the older ones. There's a square tool now. You could use a slot screwdriver and go in there, but I just want to point out that little things like this, if you have a faucet, you can't get to seal or shut off dripping after you get a new rubber seal in there, especially older ones. This is your problem. And you can unscrew these. Like I said, I didn't have my Allen wrenches handy, so I just used a pair of MIG pliers and shoved them down in there and twisted it out. But they have Allen wrenches now. These things are about 74 cents to $2, depending where, on Lowe's. Depending on your thread pitch and all that stuff and size. But that's all you need to do, is if you cannot get it to seal. Another thing is, if they're leaking and you have hard water, they can build up a calcium deposit there. And it builds like a little rock that you have to sand out. But this is why a leaking faucet will get more and more leaks as time goes on. I wish this would show up in here, but it doesn't. But there you go. That's North Carolina Homesteader, and that's what you need to replace in a leaking faucet that keeps leaking after you replace the seal. Now, like I said, I got to get a new seal again, but I tore this one up. But still, I don't think it'll show the spot, but it's in there. It's gouged. Anyway, that's what you need to do. Have a great day, everybody, and just a heads up, I'm going to start putting a lot more videos. Jeez. I'll put more videos on this channel versus the other channel. But here we go. Have a great one, everybody.